So hello friends, welcome to our channel. If you are facing an error occurred while connecting to Epic servers, please try again later problem in your Fortnite. So guys, watch this video till end because in this video I am showing why you are facing this problem in Fortnite and what is the solution of this problem. So guys, you can watch this video till end. If you guys new on my channel, you can like this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos like that. So if you are facing this problem in Fortnite today, so you have to watch this graph. The red line is at the up. It means today many people facing these type of problems. Today you are not only one. So if this red line is at the up and this red line shows how many people facing this problem in Fortnite. So guys, today Fortnite servers is down right now and this is the reason why you are facing these error problem in the Fortnite. So guys, what you have to do, if this is the server issue, so it may take some time, some minute or an hour because the Fortnite team working on fixing the servers. So you have to wait for some minute or an hour, then this problem will be automatically solved by the Fortnite. I hope guys understand what I'm saying. If you guys having any other problem, you can comment me. Do like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.